Hey, how y'all doing?
They're from
welcome.
This
is Memphis, Tennessee, the Memphis Zoo. Subscribe to Ernesto's YouTube channel.
You made it! He's going on a trip around the country, all 50 states. Well, welcome.
Hello to my mom, Consuelo Paras, to my dad, Ernesto Paras Sr., and to my late grandmother, Maximina Patsawaran. And advance Happy New Year to 2021. Enjoy this Memphis Zoo vlog. This is Memphis Zoo. What? This is Memphis Zoo. What? This is Memphis Zoo.
BONTEBOK antelope, the molluscus dorcus. Often mistaken for the blessed bok, the BONTEBOK is easily identified by its pure white round patch. It was supposed to be extinct, but now its population is stable and increasing.
So we're through with the penguins, we're through with the antelope. Come with me now here at the Stingray Cove here at the Memphis Zoo. The joy and fun continue. Once Upon a Farm, brought to you by FedEx.
Miniature donkey, Equus asinus. Donkeys differ from horses in shape and are characterized by their large head, long ears, cow-like tail.
Farm barn temporarily closed.
Barred rock chicken, Gallus domesticus. These chickens got their name due to the unusual striations found on their feathers. The pattern can also be found in rock formations, hence the bird's name. Buff Orpington chicken, Gallus. These white or cream-colored chickens weigh between 7 to 10 pounds. The Orpington lays between 110 to 160 eggs annually. They make very good mothers and have docile, laid-back personalities. Rhode Island Reds, Gallus domesticus. Befitting its name, this breed of chicken was developed in the state of Rhode Island. These birds are known as excellent egg layers and have been known to produce up to 200 eggs in a year.
The water wheel, it's so mesmerizing.
Water wheel. Centuries ago, the Romans invented the first efficient water wheel. Flowing water from a creek or river was directed to buckets on the wheel which caused it to turn. Caspian Horse, Equus caballus. This miniature horse appears in ancient Persian art as early as 3000 BC. It is possibly the ancestor of many modern horse breeds. Although believed extinct long ago, the Caspian owes its survival to an expedition in Iran searching for a small, even-tempered horse to teach children horsemanship. In 1965, a program was started to preserve this rare and unique breed. Miniature ZEBU cattle, Bos indicus. This breed of miniature cattle does not exceed a height taller than 42 inches behind its hump. Guinea Hogs Sus scrofa. This is a rare breed of pig. Nigerian dwarf goat, Capra ircus. For their small size, they produce a relatively large amount of rich milk that is high in butter fat content.
I don't know.
Oh, look at, oh my God.
Abyssinian ground hornbill, Eucorvus abyssinicus. The casque on the hornbill's beak is unusual, but its use is unknown.
Aquarium. Here you will see glass catfish. There's also Suriname toad. There's also electric catfish. And over here you will see convict cichlid. There's also three-toed Amphioma. This one has no name.
Yeah. There's the stingrays. They're in the.
There's also no name for this one.
Oh, look at that. It's an electric eel.
But here you will see fly river turtle and Australian longfish.
That's a big eel. That will light up. That light.
You will see also fly river turtle. Here there's river stingray.
She said his family.
No name in here.
Oh yeah, the neon. Look at this.
I don't know either, but that's so huge.
I don't know either. That's an eel.
Oh, that's an eel.
That's a sting eel.
Oh, sting eel.
That's an eel.
Oh, that's an eel. Thank you, sir.
That eel, he gets some mud. I seen him kill one of them.
Catfish.
Yep.
Oh, yeah. Catfish.
Yeah, I can't even read.
No, this has a name. Arapaima.
Oh, this looks like a picture was saying.
This has no name in here. What is that? This is Caribe piranha. No name in here.
Look at this.
I don't know what that is. This is a blue spotted grouper. And there's also the red soldier fish. There's also Australian rainbow fish. On the other side here, there's also a turtle. These are jellyfish. Jellyfish. It's the Herpetarium.
Burmese Python, Python molurus bivittatus. The Burmese python, native to Asia, was first reported in the Florida Everglades in 2000. Panther Chameleon Furcifer pardalis. Panther chameleons are a brightly colored species found in the tropical forests of Madagascar. Komodo Dragon Varenus komodoensis. Komodo dragons are the largest lizards in the world, growing to over 10 feet in length and weighing nearly 200 pounds. Argentine black and white Tegu Salvador Marianae. The Argentine black and white Tegu is the largest of the Tegu species. Salmon pink bird eater Lasiodora parahibana. This species of tarantula is found in Brazil and considered the third largest species of tarantula in the world. Tentacled snake, Herpetarium tentaculatum. It is technically venomous, but it's only venomous to its prey, fish. Tiger centipede, Scolopendra polymorpha. This large centipede is found throughout the southwestern United States and northern Mexico. Gray red snake, Pantheropis spiloides. They're also known as chicken snakes, and they are excellent climbers and are most likely local snake to take residence in attics. They are completely harmless. Philippine sailfin dragon, Hydrosaurus postulatus. These lizards like to bask in vegetation that overhangs tropical rivers and quickly dive and swim to the bottom to escape danger. Adult males develop beautiful colors during the breeding season. Gila Monster, Heloderma suspectum. Despite its forbidding name, this lizard is no monster. Catalina Island rattlesnake, Crotalus catalinensis. One unique feature of this rattlesnake is that it has lost its rattle, and it's critically endangered with numbers decreasing. Western pygmy rattlesnake, Cistrurus miliarus streckeri. This tiny rattle of this elfin creature is barely audible to human ears, and its bite is not fatal. Taylor's cantil, Agistrodon taylori. Cantil is a native people's word for yellow lips. Although it's not a large snake, its bite is really serious. Ethiopian mountain viper, Bitis parvicula. This snake is one of the rarest snakes in the world. Chaco tortoise, Geochilon chilensis. Its survival is threatened by its popularity as a pet. Budget's frog, Lepidobatrachus laevis. Most tadpoles are vegetarians, but the larvae of these South American frog are cannibals. Roti Island snake-necked turtle, Chelodina maccordi. This strange-looking turtle is only found on one small island in Indonesia. Yellow-spotted climbing toad, Pedostibes hosei. This is one of the few arboreal toads, and males and females are very different. Golden poison dart frog, Phyllobates terribilis. In the world, this is one of the most toxic vertebrate animals on Earth. Pakistani pond turtle, Geoclemis hamiltoni. These are highly endangered turtles and are surviving in a handful of ponds in their native habitat. Reticulated python, Python reticulatus. Attaining a length of over 30 feet, the reticulated python is one of the two largest snakes in the world, the other being the anaconda. Although they are non-venomous, they can deliver a nasty bite. Cave-dwelling rat snakes, Orthiophis tainura ridleyi. They are skilled climbers and they hang around the entrances of caves. Baja blue rock lizard, Petrosaurus thalassinus. They are commonly found near rocky areas with large trees or other forms of vegetation in Southern California. Elephant trunk snake, Acrocordus javanicus. Although they are typically slow-moving, they have a quick feeding strike that allows them to ambush their food as it swims by. Indian rock python, Python molurus. A full-grown python typically measures about 3 meters. Crocodile Monitor Varenus salvadori. It uses its tail for balance while climbing trees and also for defense for potential predators. West African dwarf crocodile, Osteoremus tetrastes. Its small size prevents it from being a threat to humans. Western green mamba, Dendriaspis viridis. They become the most dangerous animal in the Herpetarium. Mangshan mountain viper, Protobothrops mangshanensis. From China, it has only been known to science since 1989. American alligator, Alligator mississippiensis. Alligators are much less aggressive than large crocodiles and represent little danger to humans.
Up next is Dragon's Lair. We just got through with the Herpetarium with crocodiles and snakes. So we're headed here, Dragon's Lair. Come with me.
This is the largest lizard in the world, Komodo dragon, that we viewed earlier from the window, walking back into its shade. Killer dragons. It is among the most intelligent of reptiles and uses clever strategies when hunting. It will hide and wait to ambush an unsuspecting deer or coordinate attacks with other dragons to tire out its prey. Whether its prey is small or large, it has many cunning ways to kill them. In part 1 and this part 2, we already visited the aquarium, Once Upon a Farm, tropical birdhouse, herpetarium, and some others. Next on Ernesto Explores, we're gonna visit the China exhibit, bonobos, and some others. Thank you for supporting my 2 new channel members, Our Mindoro Journey and Kong Youngs. My other members, Kentus Vlog, Chia Adventure, Bikoy Vlog, and Yolo Amore.
Mega shout out to Team Premier and also to my super chatter Mike and Judith of Las Vegas and Nani's World of Joby.
You made it! He's going on a trip around the country, all 50 states. Well, welcome.